No kiumia giki tu igeranio cia KCPE ikorwo ikiambiriria muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia turorete na thutha ucio cia KCSE irumirire. Na hari mehaririria maigeranio ici, Minista wa githomo Prof George Magoha ni aheanite umiriru na mwihoko kuri arutwo hamwe na muingi ati gutire na igeranio irekereirio iria matanyitwo gugeka kurumirira muhuhu uria ukoretwo kinyagio ati kuri na maratathi maigeranio ici maranyagio.
I would also want to disabuse the minds of the people. That exam has not leaked. Of course the cartels are there and they are doing their business as usual. But if you want to do business with them, then that's your own business. They should ignore all the rumors they are hearing that there shall be problems with exams, specifically with children who are in the violent-prone areas. The government has taken firm action to ensure that every child will have an exam administered to him or her at the appropriate time with the utmost security that the government of the Republic of Kenya can give.
Magoha kwaragia ri kaunti-ini ya Murang'a thukuru-ini cia Gitito, Githinga na thukuru-ini wa airitu wa Kahuhia akinyabara waki wa irathi kuri ugite ati mutaratara wa mathomo ma CBC ndugukorwo githarario ni ithurano oro undu umwe na maumirira macio akiuga waki wa irathi no guthii na mbere ta uria kubangitwo.
I think it is now true that all the books have been delivered to all schools in preparation for grade 6 in May. In terms of the teachers were trained early in December. In terms of the assessments that shall be done for them, the assessments are ready. So the fact that there is going to be a transition in government does not matter.
Kaunti ya Meru niyo etongoretie hari gukinyaniria waki wa irathi ici igana kwa igana, no kaunti ya Murang'a ikinyanirie tu gicunji kia 75 na 80 hari igana. Magoha akiuga ari na mwihoko gugikinyeria muthi wa gatano kiumia giki waki uyu ni ugakorwo urikireire guothe bururi-ini.
In terms of CBC being there or not, I think that's an issue that Kenyans will decide as time goes on.
Maya magithiaga na mbere aciari kaunti-ini ya Laikipia icigo-ini igumagirwo ni uhaguku wa ugitiri ni moritie thirikari kuheana mwihoko hari ugitiri wa ciana ciao riria megukorwo mageka igeranio cia KCPE na KCSE amu ni makoretwo makiagagio ni aici a mahiu.
Ni lazima tuhakikisha ya kwamba serikali ya Kenya imetulinda. Ugienda tuheo time ona ithu twehonie no tondu riu kahinda ni kanini ri maige ugitiri wagiri tondu tikwenda ciana citu cia gwikigani rita ritu ni thayu nikio kindu kia mbere.
Makiaria mucemanio-ini wa kwaririria ugitiri uria kugacirithio aikaria ni moritie atongoria mwena uyu aria makoretwo magikuruhania na mierio ya gucogera ngui mekanyire amu matikoragwo ni mathina maria macokaga kurumirira riria ngui ciaumira. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wagoi wa Mwirore.